bless mommy, bless mommy. Bless mommy, bless. How are you? Bless daddy, bless daddy. Come on, bless daddy. Naka-video ka, oh. Naka-video ka.
Daddy.
Oh. I have something for you. Binili mami at daddy.
Daddy.
Bless muna, dali, naka-video ka. Dali. Bless, dali. Tapos papakita ko sa yung gift. Dali na.
Laga.
Come on, naka-video ka na ko.
Kendra.
Andito po si Kendra, galing po siya ng school. Ayan ang aking princess, ang maganda. Mabait yan.
Karga tapos.
Mabait yan ang aking prinsesa. What will you say? Bless kay daddy. I have something for you. Come on. Come on. See? Do you like this? I have something
princess.
for you. Diba you like some princess
Princess.
dress? Oh my God, it's so nice. You saw that? Oh my God. You like it?
Para si
Ken, check, dali, check.
Para si
Wow, you have one. This is for your birthday. You can use it to your birthday.
pink, yeah.
This one, you can use it on your Christmas party. Wow. And then, when we're going to Tagaytay tomorrow, probably, you can use the two of this. This one is with that, actually. Yeah. And this one also. Nice. You like it? Wow. What will you say? What will you say? You're on camera. You're on video. Are you tired?
Tired na siya.
Oh my God. Oh
Wala
my
kang star
God.
today? Today no star?
What's your star? Oh, you
she
got
has a
star.
She
Can I
got
hug
the
you?
star.
Yeah.
She got the star.
What will you say to mommy and daddy?
I love you, mommy.
I love you, daddy. Thank you. Mimo, come on, do it. Thank you.
Yes.
Mimo, I love you, mommy. I love you,
Yes.
daddy. Thank you so
Bakit yan?
much. What will you say to the vlog? Come on. Tell. Thank you, mommy, daddy.
Oh my